Hey there, beauty and wellness enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to introduce you to an amazing influencer who's all about spreading positivity, self-care, and of course, gorgeous beauty and fashion content. Say hello to Adriana Olivares. Adriana is a 23-year-old Mexican-American content creator, lifestyle influencer, and beauty enthusiast from Texas. Growing up in a small town, she was surrounded by a strong sense of community and family values. And from a young age, she developed a passion for fashion, beauty, and self-care. As a content creator, Adriana has built an impressive online presence across social media platforms, including Instagram and TikTok. With over 532,000 followers on Instagram and 4.3 million followers on TikTok, she's established herself as a relatable and engaging influencer who shares her passion for beauty, fashion, and wellness. Adriana's social media content is designed to inspire and educate her audience. She regularly posts about her favorite skincare routines, makeup tutorials, and style inspirations, as well as behind-the-scenes glimpses into her life. Her feed is a mix of relatable personal anecdotes, product reviews, and lifestyle tips, making her content accessible and enjoyable to a wide range of audiences. In addition to her online presence, Adriana has collaborated with several brands in the beauty and wellness industries. She's participated in influencer events and activations, showcasing her expertise in the fields of beauty and lifestyle. Her content has been featured on popular platforms like BuzzFeed and 17 magazine, further solidifying her influence in the digital space. Throughout her journey as a content creator, Adriana has remained committed to building connections with her audience. She's known for her warm and engaging tone, often responding to comments and messages from her followers. Her dedication to sharing relatable content and engaging with her audience has earned her a loyal following across both Instagram and TikTok. Thanks for watching today's video on Adriana Olivares. We hope you enjoyed getting to know this amazing influencer and learning more about her passion for beauty, fashion, and wellness. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories and tutorials from your favorite influencers.